How to do a poll on TikTok. First is by opening your TikTok app and then by clicking on this plus button found on the uh, lower mid of your screen. Once you have done that, you may upload a video or take a video right here. For example, I'll just take a video. And then once you have taken a video, click on this check button right here and click on stickers right here. Once you're on stickers, make sure to click on poll right here and type in the question that you want. So for example, you may type in what should I do? And then type in the options that you want. So right here, you may go swimming or you may do driving. Click on done found on the upper right corner and then now you may reposition your poll. You may resize it whichever you want. To edit it, you just simply click on that poll once again and click on edit. So there you go. That's how you can do a poll on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.